What's good, everyone? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. Today, we're going to be talking about which platform is better, SMS Phone Leads or Textbot AI. And I am in both of them. I am in both of these systems just to let you guys know. I've been using them for quite some time, but I'm gonna give you a little bit of detail on each one, and you can pretty much take it for what you feel. And if you do feel that whichever platform will work out better for you, go ahead. Here in SMS Phone Leads, one thing I do like about this type of platform is that it's a low startup cost. The low startup cost is about $37. I'm gonna show you right here. You see right here, it's $37 to get started, and plus a $10 startup fee. And you get these different upsells that come along with it. So that's one thing I do like about it, and it's a one-time fee. So in case if you not, you don't have enough money to, start off in your marketing, this could be something that you could very much start off, with. So that's one thing I like about it. And then, not to mention, it got a lot of things that you can get. Um, these are the different products like the SMS Blaster. They just came out with these, like the 2-page funnel and the 5 emails and the ring list. Well, the ring list been a part of this for quite some time. You could buy credits just like any other SMS marketing company. You got to buy credits in order to be able to receive and send out different text messages. So, yeah, pretty much for SMS, phone leads, it's very self-explanatory. You can have both funnels and both voice, mail, where you can send off your voicemail and you have your own recording just to brand yourself on. Like I said, I like both of them real well. I use that all the time, especially when I'm doing my marketing, my daily choice of strategy that I use. And like I said, it's very low cost, low upfront, and you can be able to earn commissions starting from $37 and plus the $10 upsell fee. So here with TextBot AI, now the one thing about TextBot AI is, I believe it's $150 to get started. So it's $150 to get started, but each sale that you make is $100 per sale. So on this end, the start off will be a little bit more, but you do get more of a commission. So like I said, both of them is pretty much similar as far as the way you run your marketing strategy of sharing your number. So it's the same thing with SMS marketing. You could buy multiple numbers and you share it. The only thing with text by AI, in order to have multiple numbers, you would have to purchase the Ava Plus. So to get this virtual assistant to help you, you would have to purchase the Ava Plus in order to have multiple numbers that you could be able to use to market. So if you would ask me like which one is better, I really prefer using, especially if you're a newbie, I would use the SMS Phone Leads just to start off with. But then once you start getting advanced, then you can switch over to use the Text by AI. Then you could be able to get those $100 commissions. And, we all want more commissions so we could be able to put back into whatever we like to do as far as paid marketing. And also it's upfront pay. So you got them different types of features that you have on each platform. So I just want to give you a briefing about, both of them works very well. Both of them, it has its advantages and also it has its disadvantages. So you have to really figure out which one would be better for you and which one is better for your budget. So in my hand, I like, SMS. I would prefer, if you're a beginner, to use SMS Phone Leads to get started. And you get to get started for that low cost and work your way up If you can't afford Textbot AI, then you get into the Textbot AI so you can be able to increase your marketing commissions. All right, that's it for tonight. Make sure that if you want to be able to join with me out of either one of these types of platforms, make sure you click the link below in the description. Like and subscribe to this channel. I will give you more tutorials, tips, and tricks on marketing strategies that can help you brand yourself and to help you get yourself out there. Once again, this is Double O with Astro. Peace.